Yes, my new machine unboxing video. This is really nice. It's really nice. It's not bad, not bad. Just check the filter on this too. It's pretty clean. That's pretty clean. Smells pretty good too. There we go. But yeah, I got this on eBay. Man, this thing's nice. Alright, so yeah, here's the unboxing of my Windtunnel Air. I think the model number's on the bottom. Here, let me take this handle off. I don't want to accidentally ruin it. At the on-off. Here's the model number for anyone wondering. Dude, this thing's really nice. I love this. This is my second Windtunnel Air I have now. A little bit of something there, but I can easily clean that up. Let's get a nice brush roll. Alright, here it is. And sorry I didn't give you guys a proper introduction to my channel. So let me do it now. Welcome to my channel. If you guys haven't seen me about a month or so, 9 months, however long it's been. And honestly, there's no reason. I just haven't really wanted to make any videos, but I figured I might as well come back for this video. So yeah, let's run the Hoover, see how it works. It sounds pretty decent. It's not the greatest though. Yeah, it's not the greatest sounding, but it's still pretty decent. I actually really like this. And as you've probably seen, I also have this. So you guys have seen this video or seen this on the video before. And then I was this one with the unboxing, and it did take me about a couple minutes to get all the packing peanuts back in the box, but I'm not complaining. See, I paid $86 for this. It was $40 on eBay, and then 40 something shipping, which isn't bad, but it's still a lot of shipping, especially for one of these with how light this is. But yeah, it runs great. It runs pretty decent. It doesn't sound as good as this one. I don't think this one was used as much. This one still has a protective seal on it. I might have to see if there's any dust in the fan that's causing it to sound off. But yeah, it doesn't have the right. I don't think it was. I think it's supposed to have a color matching hose, but I could be wrong. But either way, this one looks brand new. This one I've used a decent amount. It still looks really good. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video and a quick little run of this. And I'll see you guys some other time soon. Peace.